What up, DC Gang? It's your boy Dreadhawk.
That's your girl Cash.
Back with another video gang. Hey, babe, let them know what's going on.
We got black people don't play when their dog gets loose. And we sure do.
Who?
Who, exactly?
Who playing with a dog?
What kind of dog it is? We don't play about a dog.
You remember you were telling me before about that?
Oh, that damn Rottweiler.
Tell me about it.
I'm walking somewhere and I see that damn big dog come chasing behind me. Why I was so scared?
Boy, it can be a friendly dog. We don't care. We run. Man, I seen a lady run from a little dog. Remember me to a Rocco outside.
Yeah,
she started running to her something about dogs. That little dog about, the dog about 4-5 pounds.
Yes, 4-5 pounds. She was running from our dog.
From a Yorkie.
Yes.
So that right there tell y'all, black people, we don't play when it comes to dogs.
We sure don't. We gain all type of speed, jumps, anything.
All kind of different agility or superpowers.
Superpowers.
That's what we call it, yeah. So if y'all ever been chased by a dog or something, man, y'all let us know down in the comment section down below. Make sure y'all like this video and let us know what y'all want to see next. You ready to get into it?
Let's get into it.
Let's see what's poppin'.
Keep people out.
Hey, look at Buddy in the blue. Y'all peep Buddy in the blue. That's a black person for you. That head turn like that, that's a black person for you.
Okay.
Oh!
Hey, and you see how Buddy jump over that little girl on that table? Buddy ain't ask no questions. All he sees something coming, he just go.
He cleared her. That boy must be was a hurdle when track. Jumping the hurdle. The little girl didn't even notice that he jumped over.
Then he left the little boy right there. Look how he. God damn.
Boy, that boy look in the arm out too.
Yes.
That's a black person right there, boy.
Yes.
He grabbed that baby up, though. He grabbed that baby up. The dog going crazy up in there. She look pissed too.
Yeah, she look pissed.
Y'all running a house.
Damn.
Y'all running the house. Look at her.
That dog want to get a piece of him, boy.
Oh shoot!
Oh, yo, come on, man!
Hey, how you left your?
The dog
already know how to get out.
The dog know how to get out at you. You want to play that game,
right?
But peep game. Buddy jump on top of the car and then left his daughter.
I saw that
right there. Come what? Game over. You ain't put your child up there.
Why she backing up for?
Your child down there screaming though.
Right.
And that dog playing, man, but still.
You still can't take no chances for
real.
No,
you can't. Especially when you're
scared.
How
you leave your daughter down there like that?
I want to see. Come on. Where the little girl went though?
She running from.
Come on, man. This man on the roof.
On the roof of the
I just
car.
said roof. How buddy said on Friday? They said whatever Friday after next.
Yeah.
Man.
I mean, how did you leave your? I mean, like how you say the spirit. You don't never know what you're gonna do, but damn, you want to protect your kids too at the same time.
I think that parent instinct will kick in. You're gonna take care of the child first though.
Yes.
Anybody else now? Hey, babe, if a dog come, I'm gonna try to do.
I'm
try to do what I gotta do. I'm gonna try to do what I gotta do.
Back. I'm running.
I'm gonna try to help you, but
I'm
if that instinct kick in, babe, forgive me. The dog, the dog pick up on fear now, but
they do.
This man denting up this person's roof on the car.
I dent up somebody's car too.
But you gotta get off you gotta get off that, boy.
You gotta stop crying.
That what you say? He tell her stop crying.
That girl's scared too.
In his mind, it's making him panic worse. Cause she crying. Boy, come out as a black person for you. Oh man, look at the dents in that thing. Okay. Oh. You blowing somebody in the car? Gotta be.
Oh, I see a little movement in the car. I was like, I'm sorry, but
pause again.
Yeah.
You blowing the horn for what? That's gonna make me jump up your car.
Exactly.
Cause you blowing the horn.
Right.
But that's gonna make me jump up your car?
No.
Cause you blowing the horn? A big German Shepherd coming after me? No. Come on, man. Ain't happening.
They could ever get out the car. Oh, they probably scared to get out the car too.
Well, I see more than enough.
You good? I saw that motherfucker this morning.
Them motherfuckers calling. Hey.
My dog got a pants down. That's what you get. That's what the boy get though.
And I tell you, black people, we gain some type of superpowers or something
like
that.
We ain't worrying about no fence
we
height.
ain't worrying about nothing, no height, nothing. We ain't worrying about scratching nothing. We ain't worrying about our pants falling down, our shirts coming up, weight coming off. We ain't care. We gonna just keep running.
Shoes, it
like
don't
it's
matter
like
how
we
much
running
you
for our
pay.
life for real.
Running for your life for real. But buddy though, that's what he get. Pants hanging off and behind. How you gonna run from a dog? Your pants almost to your knees though.
Right.
Come on, man. He barely made it up there. Buddy right there though.
It was like everybody gangster till that damn dog start chasing you. Oh,
yeah. Oh, boy, you gotta get off. Boy, you gotta make it fall, boy. That looks like a rock, huh? A rock.
Probably is. Everybody holler.
What about make the damn golf cart collapse?
Okay. He's stuck.
He's stuck. Hey, buddy ain't trying to help me either. He making sure, hey, black person gonna make sure it's clear.
I bet you put your best.
I gotta see that dog get put up. It's funny. Oh, yo. Hey, boy. What you say?
They told me to deliver to this house or something.
Boy, this is funny. All the way over there. Coming full speed, boy. You don't see him?
That's a Doberman. What do you call it?
A Doberman, yeah. Oh, we look like you're playing with him though.
She playing my behind.
He bouncing around.
He trying to get that right. Us behind, isn't it?
Oh, the buddy hit the tree.
I didn't even see her hit the tree.
Hold up. Yow.
Ooh.
Oh, yo, buddy tired. See that? Buddy better get in shape, boy. Oh, snap.
That dog.
He just casually taking the trash out.
He ain't know a damn dog.
That
Chasing us
you know what, that dog said, you know what?
Today, I'm gonna chase me somebody today.
Somebody about to get it.
Somebody about to get it today. And today was the day.
Somebody bring that trash. They about to get it. He came full speed, boy. Oh, man.
He hit that tree, though.
Yeah. Boy, he got to go now and sit down now, boy. Well, he about to go somewhere.
He look pissed off.
Yeah, that's that pissed off, boy. Oh, man. Y'all seen it right there, man. Y'all already know about black people.
Okay.
It's all the proof. What they say? The proof is in the pudding. Black people ain't playing when it comes to no dogs,
we ain't
boy.
Playing. Like when a dog comes, we like, oh heck, no, we running.
Does it bite? I don't want to know. People
exactly.
say, oh, it don't bite. You can pet them. No, I'm good. It got teeth in the mouth.
They got teeth in the mouth.
Anything can bite.
Exactly. And they right, like you try to pet them, they snap at you.
Matter of fact, like I said before, that happened to me a long time ago. Mm-hmm. When I was getting a transmission done in my old car a long time ago. Had German Shepherds all in there. 2 adult German Shepherds and the puppies in the back. The man said, oh, you can pet her, she doesn't bite. Man, I stuck my hand out to pet that German Shepherd and that dog took a big gulp towards my hand. I yank it back just in time. He grabbed the dog up. He was so surprised the dog wouldn't do it. The dog got teeth. Yeah, exactly. But I was dumb to be gonna try to pet a big dog like that. just because they say it don't bite.
Some people, I don't know. You just can't trust them sometimes. You can't trust people with the word of mouth because you never know like what type of mood that dog might be in that day. Like, well, I don't feel like getting paid by no screens.
Well, my black people instincts ain't kick in though. They should have kicked him like, hey, you know what, Dread? Hey, don't do that.
Pet no dogs.
Don't pet no dogs. Hey, but y'all get down in that conversation. Let us know how y'all feel about this reaction right here in these dogs. Let us know once again if you ever been chased or attacked by a dog. Your story. You got anything else for me? It's crazy, man. Y'all be safe out there, man. It's your boy DreadHawk.
And that's your girl, Cash.
Catch y'all next one.